We're at the roundup here, the end of a little hunt, and only got two things of interest today. This is very interesting. Obviously it's looks like an arrowhead. It is a arrowhead. The only thing I don't know is if it's real or a reproduction. It is made out of a hard material. What kind, I'm not sure. And then this little bling butterfly, which I do like. I do like my jewelry. I tried to find the back to it. The back broke off, and it's nowhere to be found. Anyway, it's kind of pretty. I like it. And at least whether this is authentic or not, I don't know, but I like it.